So right so right now this user is she is a super admin. Actually, she is another super admin. She has been assigned a new home page. For new home page, you can't able to see because the configuration which we have seen, we are looking into is the old home page. Anyways, if any user are assigned old home page, he or she you can able to see those styles in here. So right now we have seen in the Kala grant. So with user wise, you can restrict it. I will show you how the new homepage you can assign to other users as well as self. Basically, it is a new functionality, new upgrade basically. So if I proxy now with what we say, Kala grant, here you can able to see. The new homepage defect is that not defect. The problem is that key we can't proxy and see that new homepage. The SF doesn't allow us to see the homepage for the other employees who is assigned for the new homepage. So till now that functionality doesn't came. It is a new functionality. So whenever whoever the employees are using this old homepage can able to see. It is totally different in view, and it looks like very good basically in looking the new home page. So that I will be explaining you how you can assign the new home page basically for us as well. So this is how the tile is created and restricted based on the conditions. Okay. And if again I want this to create my own new section, basically I'll be selecting edit section. Right now it is news. I want it under USA news. So I'll be creating my section. Okay. Again, you have to become self. It will not take. So if I'm selecting, just a second, let me again open. If I want to create a new session, these are the sections already created. To create new section, I'll be selecting here USA news, for example. If this section is visible by any uh, roles, basically in RBPs, I'll be creating roles. At that time I'll be selecting. We are under super admin role, for example, manager self-service role, or here you can able to assign it roles also. This section, if you want to see it in ESS role or MSS role or any role, you can able to assign it here, but I want for all. So for all USA employees, not a problem. So I'll be saving it simply like this. Now this I'll be moving this section to USA news. Simply I'm moving it to USA news, something below. Here it is. Now I'm saving it. Now I'm just proxying to the with the Carla grad because we have provided her name for this access. This, see, under USA news, this title came. If I go, I'll be just keeping this. This not only USA news or any heading you can give. That is based on the requirement. Okay. Understood till here? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So these are the main things. Tiles, I have explained you how to create tiles, how to move the tiles in the different sections and all. Some small things are remaining. I have told you in the starting, one dynamic tile is there to do, which will be explaining your, for example, I'm just proxying on behalf of Let me become self. For example, I'm proxying on behalf of Anya Singh, who is another super admin. Let us see if she has any to do a part of finish your profile. Oh, Anya Singh is again. Let me proxy some other employee like Kala Grant. Finish your profile. Another manager, if any. Yeah, having review to do review team summary and review performance. Basically, this is from PMGM module. So, if you want to go, for example, let me first become self. So you can just go to do settings, like uh, so you can just rename the to do files. नहीं है अभी। वो ले लो green वाला अभी मेरा 8 बजे से 10 बजे तक वो शुरू हो रहा है। आज सिस्टम है।
Oh no. Okay, I'll manage it my phone. God bless you. After class, I will
Okay. So either just have a look where I have gone. Under the to-do settings, rename to-do files. If at all, approve request, review performance, right? Review performance. If you want to rename it, the standard name is review performance. Employees performance, something like that. If you want to just rename, you can just do it over here and save it. And similarly, you can just proxy it and check it basically if the employee is having that this thing or not. Previously it was review performance, right? Now it should show employees performance. See, this has been changed, right? Employees performance. So that you can able to change to do tiles. Then the general setting is nothing but how many times may show pending to do item starting how many days before you want to show the pending to do items, basically starting they are due, means so they have certain time limit, for example, to do. So how many time, if the due date is 30th, before 30th of this month, how much before time you can able to mention this. This is supplementary to do, supplemental to do. This will be not using in real time, but I'll be explaining you what is supplemental to do. Is nothing but any, I think I'm in proxy. Let me just become, this is the only disadvantage. System will think that I'm into the I am that employee, and they will immediately restrict my access, because it is all depends on the permission rules. So supplemental to do is nothing but any right now anything, it is not used anyways, but any, if any to do items you want to create, like set up goals or anything item, apart of, actually the system will take to do from, as the to do is dynamic action. If anybody is applied for leave or something, or any approval is pending, system will be taking from their basket, basically what is pending. But if there is any item which is not there in the standard to do, you can create a supplement to do items for your own reference. If you want to set goals or take action or anything, you can set to do item name, you can mention any name, and then you can just mention the due date and the permissions for which roles it is required. If it is for all, no need to give the permission and save it. Simple. This is how the supplemental to-do items. We will, while coming to the office, we'll be opening the sticky notes and we'll be entering whatever we want to do task for the today. So instead of that, you can able to create the supplement to do items based on the task. It will show in your to do page. Simple. You can just create. If you want it to be applicable for yourself or for selected employees, then you have to create a permission for that role, for that, for yourself, and you have to give that permission over there. Okay, just a second. Hello. हेलो।
अमेज़न कर रहा है।
हाँ भैया, वो बास्केट में डाल दो ना, मैं मीटिंग में हूँ। जरा अंदर कार दिख रही है आपको?
हाँ जी, हम बास्केट में डाल देंगे।
हाँ, बास्केट में डाल दो। ओके, थैंक यू। So this is what the to-do settings that you can able to do, and we have also covered the custom tiles. So this is all about the homepage settings that you have to do if you want to, if you want to based on any country wise, you can, if you want particular group of people like payroll administration to get the access, you have like Taiwan, CA, SA, you can able to do the same payroll administration. This employee doesn't have these access, basically. Maybe other employee like, I think Nandani, Venkatesh, and she is also super admin. Maybe she is having, or she may not have. So this is based on the selected group of administration who is having those access. See, she is having these many access, means her name is there basically in the payroll admin list. So selected group of people only is having that access. So this we can able to control from that permissions, basically what exactly we have. If you want that particular myself also to be included, or your user ID to be included in that, just explore it. Nothing difficult in this. You have, it is a custom tile anyways. Go to that tile and explore it. Manage homepage में जाके page में already created custom tile, you can explore it, how it has been created and all. Then you will be learning more basically. So creation and all are the same what I have told you. If you want any look wise or some wise, you can see any custom tile. For example, I want to see that custom tile. For example, this UAE, it is only useful for UAE people basically. So you can able to see what group is assigned here. Just dig it. Like I have showed you, right? You can assign group also. You are assigning payroll admin to this group. You can create, you can edit group and see payroll admin if it is there in or not. This payroll admin group. So these are the selected group of users. Here you will be having, if you want your name to be included in this, you can include it. Add another user, for example, and then I'm just including my name. My name is RSMO something. This is my name. I'm just clicking done. I'm just mentioning it like this, and I'm saving this. Now I may able to see all those styles basically. Who knows? If I can't able to see, then there may be some other criteria. See, right now I can able to see the tiles. So it is all condition based tiles. So this is all about the home page, to how to organize the home page, how to create the tiles and all. You can even try your own, create your own country. For example, Japan, Taiwan, any country, you can create that and search for any employee. If you can't able to find Japan employee, just type Japan or anything. No result is there. For example, Malaysian employee, Kuala Lumpur. Just type Kuala Lumpur. You can able to find some Malaysian employees. So for Malaysia also, you can able to type try basically the tile creation and all. Generally, Japan employees may not be there in the system. Taiwan employees are there. Need to check. These are the Taiwan employees. So you can able to search. Japan employees are not yet created. Generally, Japan doesn't have success factors much. So might be Japan employees not there in this demo system. So you can create and let me know if you are having any doubts. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Sir, my URL does not showing to-do list.
To-do list.
To-do
To-do
tile.
list. If it is not showing, means you doesn't have anything in to-do. Need to check. This is the dynamic. It will take from directly. If your profile is already completely created, then you will not show anything in the to-do list. If anything you are pending from your end, then only it will show, else it will not show. You can proxy it from other username, like my Rix SMOLLA. With this you can proxy it. You can able to see the to-do list for this employee. If it is not showing, it's not a issue. Maybe the nothing action is required from your end. It is a dynamic tile, right? So if there is no action required from your end, it will not show. Okay.
Okay, my homepage showing quick actions, organizational updates only.
That is, I think it is your home page is showing a latest home page. I think so. Yours say LRA 1 or 8?
8, sir.
LRA 8. You have been assigned to the new home page, so not a problem. Let me just view your user permission. These all are comes under RBPs. Don't not to worry. I will explain you in detail what are RBPs are.
Okay, sir.
So where the access of new homepage is taken from is manage the access the new homepage is from super admin. It is coming from general user permission, super admin. So role, it is coming from the role super admin. So need to go to permission role. So need to check whether any roles with super admin is available or not. Super admin is there. Just click that. Permissions, general user permissions. Yeah, it is taking from here. Just uncheck this. This is a new upgrade. If you uncheck this, it will not show. Anyways, I'll be explaining the detailing what are the permissions in RBP's topic. It is a very interesting topic. Through that, it is the backbone of the organization. With that, you can just play it around. And now I'll be just mentioning going to your home page. Generally, it will take time. Just log out and log in. Big changes whenever you are doing, it may not take immediate effect. You have to log out and log in. Proxy. Right now, you can check from your side also if it is applicable or not. See, it is showing right now. For you now, it is showing to do also. Okay, fine.
Fine.
Okay, then we'll be catching up tomorrow as I have another meeting right now. So we'll be catching up tomorrow. Just practice what I have told you. I'll be uploading the same video. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then. All right. Good night.
Good night, sir.